So what's up guys, today we're gonna tackle all about loops. Loops is a sequence of instructions that is continually repeated until a certain condition is reached. So for example, let's try to check the for loop. The for loop, syntax of the for loop is like this: for, then the initialization, the condition. No, it's not like this. Sorry about that. Initialization, the condition, and incrementation or decrement. The incrementation is placing the value of initialization, example I is equals to 1. It is going to plus 1 each the program is repeated. Then the decrementation is going to minus the value of initialization. So that's the syntax. In here is the statement. So okay, then wait, we're gonna erase this because samo kayo. And after that, let's say I, so we gotta declare I, and I as your initialization variable. I is equals to 1. This is the initialization. It is spelled like this: initialization. Okay, initialization. Let's put that there. And in here is the condition. I is less than or equal to, let's say 10. Then this one is called condition. And the decrementation, we're gonna plus that I plus. Then let's change the statement. For example, we're gonna print numbers, the value of I. Okay, so let's say printf gotta put some space and the variable I. So okay, I'm gonna make it big. Yes. So as you can see, this is the full syntax of the for loops. So I'm going to explain to you the flow of this loop, the flow. So as we can see, I is 1, I is equals to 1. Then the condition is I is less than or equal to 10. Then so the flow is like this. Since I is equals to 1, the initialization will check the condition. Since 1 is less than to 10, it will print the statement. Then after printing the statement, I will check the incrementation or the decrementation. since we're using incrementation, then it will increment. So the value of I is 1. It will become now, it will add plus 1. Then I is 2. So 2 na ang I. So 2 na siya. I is equals to 2. Then 2, since 2 is less than, then it will print again. So sample, it's gonna print the value of I. So I first 1. This is the output ha. Output 1. Then now naabot na siya sa 2. So mo print po siya og 2. Since kay spacer man itong gigamit, so ana siya 2. Then the I will check again the incrementation. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So the value of I will change to 3. Then 3, since 3 is less than or equal to 10, it will print again the statement. So nga na lang na siya guys. I hope nakasabot mo. So let's try it. Ato na siya i-code. Okay? So we're gonna use for loop. Oops. Wrong. So in here, we are gonna declare first the variable I, because we're gonna use variable I, and start the for loop. Need first to initialize I is equals to 1. Then the condition I is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so I plus plus. So in here we're gonna print the value of I. So okay, so let's see if this works. So okay, ano siya guys? The value of I continuously growing. So each time na condition is true, since I is equals to 3, 3 is negative na noon. 3 is less than or equal to 10, since it's true, mo print na siya continually hantod maabot sa point na ang I the value of I will reach 10. Say, and then it will check the condition again. 10 is less than or equal to 10, since it's true kay naman siya equal, di ba? 10 is equal to 10, diba? So print na siya 10. Then it will increment again. It will increment. Then 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Then it will check again. I is now 11. Then he is going to check the condition. 11 is less than, do 11 is less than or equal to 10. Now it's false. Then the program terminates. Okay, so that's the flow guys. That's it. Maora na siya ang inyong kinahanglan bantayan. So for the while loop is simple. Let's find this one. So pagpadako eh. No. We're gonna open new paint. So for the do while, it is simple. Do. Oops. Wait. So do. We're going to do while. It's while muna. While sa ta. So sa while, sa while search. While. First thing you need to do is to define the value of I above. So let's say I is equals to 1, then the condition in here, condition, then statement, and below the statement, the incrementation, decrementation. INC. So, let's check. Mauro ni siya inyong ginalan, tingnan guys. Mauro ni ang formula. So, let's say I is equals to 1, while here the condition I must be less than or equal to 10. Then if it is true, then the statement are endlessly printed until the condition will become false. Then I plus plus, that's it guys, mauro na siya. See, mauro gyapon na siya. Dili pa kayo mo makakita sa difference sa tulo kay basic pa man niya nga tuang gikuan. So let's move forward to do while. Okay, do while is like this. Do statement while then the condition. Okay, so para kasabot mo guys, inganira na siya. Oops, let's start again. So the do while. Do this while the condition is true. Print this one. Pero nakalahian sa do while guys, kay kuan man siya kanang iya i-print daan before siya mo check sa condition. Ba? Unlike sa for ug sa while loop na ang for I nighuman niya sa mo check siya daan sa condition kung true ba, then mo print siya. Nakasabot ra mo? Iya i-check daan ang condition, usa siya mo print sa statement. Pero ang do while guys, lahi ni siya. Ang do while. Wait, do while. So ang do while is ingani na siya. Do iya na i-print daan ang statement, usa siya mo check sa condition. Diba? So example, let's say I is equals to 1. The condition is I is less than or equal to 10. Then I plus plus. So before siya mo check, so let's say do printf, mauro gyapon to numbers. So before siya mo check guys sa condition mo, print siya dito. So example, mao to printf the value of I. Let's say ana lang, the value of I. So mo print siya diretso og 1, wala niya gi-check daan dire. So after niya mo kuan sa 1, mo check sa 1, then mo increment siya dito kay ang statement dayon incrementation. The flow man good guys sa program is nganin gud na siya. Gikan sa babaw padung sa ubos, nya balik na pod. Mara na siya. Na check na pod, ubos, tuyok ra na siya. Mo na siya gitawag loop, cycle na siya guys, cycle. So I 1 plus 1 2, then mo check na siya sa condition. So since 2 is Since 2 is less than or equal to 10, so mabalik na po siya sa 1, balik siya sa 1. Then, ma-print na siya. 2, so 1, 2, mga rigya pa na siya guys. I hope nakasabot na mo kay di kayo ma-explain. Do this, example, and then then let's put some condition. I is better than less than so let's check. Wala incrementation. Wait, no. I did less because wala condition. The incrementation, yes. Ayaw na ninyo kalimti guys. Kaya for example, na may malimtan, mawala tayo mahitabo, endless loop, di mahuman. Samahan siya guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope nakasambot ka naman tanan. And have a good day. Peace out.